Hi there, this is a screencast to explain how Classdojo works. So, a Classdojo is a behavior management system that offers positive behavior points, and students can also earn negative behavior points. So as you can see here, I have my class list set up here on my screen. As you can see, they all have 0 points right now, but let's say I go over to Riley here, click on her name. A box pops up that offers multiple ways that Riley can earn positive behavior dojo points. You can edit these skills to have as many or as little as you would like. They also can be weighted. So the default setting is 1 point, but you can also, for example, I have homework worth 5 dojo points. And let's say I issue that for Riley, so all you have to do is click on your icon. And the noise dings so that the students know that someone is earning dojo points, unless they look at the screen and they can clearly see whose name has earned it. Another feature of it is to lose points. So as students are gaining points, they also can lose. If you click over back on that box and you click over on needs work, as you can see, I don't have as many icons for negative points, but depending on your structure, you may have more or less. Let's say she was blurting out in class. I can take away 1 point for that. And it gives an unfortunate sound that the students know that someone has lost a dojo point. Once again, unless they look at the screen and see whose points have gone down. Another awesome feature of Classdojo that I use a lot is the messaging app. This is where parents can connect. Parents can connect on, they can see their students' positive and negative points. They can also receive messages they send out to all parents about picture day or field trips or any other little reminders that I may need to send home with parents. They also can message me back so that we can have a conversation, or if they need to give me any other information about their student, we use this as our platform. Go back to the classroom here. So like I said, there are many affordances to this app. There are many different tools that you can use. The timer, and students can access their own account and create a portfolio that becomes kind of their Facebook page or their story page where they can upload their work and their projects and so forth. But thanks for listening to my brief introduction to Classdojo.